Hello student, today we will do question number 9 from exercise 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See question number 9. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. Find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta, the rate of interest per annum. So, see, P is equal to rupees 2,500. N is equal to 2 years, means 24 months. 24. Maturity value is given rupees 67,500. So first we have to find the total interest. Interest is equal to maturity value minus P into N. This is, so maturity value is 67,500 and P is 2500 into N, 24, is equal to 67,500 minus, that's 60. This is equal to rupees 7,500. This is interest. Now see question number 2. The rate of interest per annum. So we will, for this we will use formula I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So I we have got 7,500 is equal to P. P is 2,500 into 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. This 0 cut, 2, 12 and 24 will cut. Then R is equal to 7,500 divided by 25 into 25. 25 is 300. 25, 1, 2. This is 12%. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.